Hello, my name is Clarissa, and welcome to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is a clean and decorate with me. I will be working in my kitchen. I will do everything from cleaning the sides of my stove, pulling it out is what I mean, all the way to adding a little Valentine's Day flair to my coffee/tea bar. So there's a lot to get done. So I'm going to invite you to come on in, clean with me, or get you something nice and warm to drink and watch me clean and be inspired. So friends, as you can see, I have the paste on the glass top stove already, and now I'm cleaning the sides. Once I do that, I'll push it back and do my countertops. I am just freshening up, cleaning things up. You know how you get so much dust and things from the holiday season, and I want to get all that done. And it's just time to clean, do a good cleaning as well. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to get into spring cleaning already, but it's time for a refresh. And also I wanted to add a little Valentine's Day flair as well, as I said before. So I'm going to be doing what we all do, you know, countertops, stove, floor, tables, just all of that good stuff before I get to the coffee and tea bar, where I'll also do a two-tiered tray with some happy Valentine's Day decor. So I'm going to get started, and I'm using, let me say this, the Lysol disinfectant spray. I love this stuff. I bought it, started using it during the pandemic in 2020, and I've been using it ever since. I'm also using the Method grease cutter and the Method countertop spray as well. In the bucket, I'm doing the floor. You can see that I'm doing underneath the stove right now. I'll do the entire floor later. I've already added the Tide Pod to get everything all nice and tidy. So I'm going to set it to music, and I'm going to get busy. Either join me and clean with me, put me up on the TV or something and clean with me, or sit back and watch me go to work, whichever makes you feel good today.
Hey, what up, girl? How you doing? I don't want to come on too strong or nothing like that, but I've been thinking about you. And I've been wondering where you lay up. Where you at? So, sure. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it, that thing you do? Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it, that thing you do? Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Cinderella, yeah. I think I'll find your glass slipper, baby.
Friends, a quick question for you. Do you guys actually use your microwave a lot? We don't use our microwave. We don't pop popcorn in it because we have an air popper. We heat things in it every once in a while, and we always cover it with a paper towel. So my microwave really does stay pretty clean. But let me know in the comments below. Do you actually cook in your microwave or use it a lot? We really don't. And I think that's a good thing because it doesn't get really messy. But I mean, it is nice for heating, and that's all that we actually do in it, and that's very rare.
You must be magic the way that you carry yourself. It's like you got this unspoken confidence, baby. You know it damn well. Get me fired up like holy, you hotter than hell. None can compete cause your presence is unparalleled. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it, that thing you do? you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support.
Friends, as you can see, as you look around the kitchen, even if you look over the sink right now, I am leaving up some of the greenery, pine, picks and that kind of thing, just to add a little color and warmth to the kitchen. After you take the holiday decks down, it just seems so bare. So you will see that I've left that up. There are no florals, however, because it's not time for that yet. I'm waiting for spring. But I did leave greenery up, and that just makes it feel cozy to me, warm and cozy when it's cold outside, because you just need something around. How about you? When you take everything down, do you feel like your house is really sparse and a little cold if you don't add like candles and greenery? And I also like to add twinkle lights. I leave twinkle lights up in certain places as well. What about you? Do you do that? Leave me a comment below and let me know.
Couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
To be me.
Let me give you this game for free. No, you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8-ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet.
As you can see, this little corner is done, and I did add a little greenery over there to the little glass vase that I have over there on the shelf. And as you can see, my little mixer that I showed you guys in my haul video, I have it out, and it's kind of small, but it's just perfect. It's just enough for me. So I think I'm going to enjoy it. And I also, on that part of the counter too, in that vignette, I have my diffuser going, and in it today I have a mixture of eucalyptus and peppermint. It smells really good in here. And here again, I'm adding more greenery. And as you can see, the dried fruit there, I did that myself in the oven. I did with oranges, and I added cloves, and it smells so good, so good. And that's something that it's kind of fun to do. It takes a little while to do it, but it's fun. And if you'd like to know how to do it, just leave me a comment below, and I'll show you how.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
The little heart risers that you see there, friends, I picked up from the Target dollar spot. There were 2 in the pack. It's the large one with the large decanter that holds my tea, and the small one that holds my sweeteners. And I started to paint them, but I thought the wood just kind of warms things up, so I thought I'd leave them alone. I'm going to go back and see if they have any more. I'm sure the way things have been flying out of my Target and my dollar store, they probably don't, but it won't hurt to look. But they were, I think, $5, and they're well worth the price. Pretty sturdy, too. Friends, the tray that I'm using was a thrift find. It was gold, and I spray painted it black. And I don't know about you, but we're still drinking hot tea around here and cocoa, so I'm setting up my cocoa bar and making it look pretty. I am going to add the Valentine's Day flair, but we're still drinking hot tea and hot tea every day. I do. I get up in the morning like everybody else has coffee. I have a cup of tea. So, yeah, that's why I'm leaving it up. And it'll probably be decorated for spring as well, because we're always having something around here like tea and when friends come by, they do drink coffee. So, yeah. And as you can see here, I'm setting up all of these little things. Well, a lot of these little things came from the Target dollar spot. That little house is the cutest thing. I wish I had gotten more than one of those for sure. For sure. It is so cute, and it lights up as well. And the little coffee pot is cute too. I don't need any more of those, but I do wish I had gotten more in the house. They had some really cute things over there this year. So friends, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'm also cooking as I clean today. It's cold outside. It's a Saturday. We're in the house, and so I'm just kind of piddling. It's fun. I love doing this having a day like today. And if you're new here, I hope that you will find something that'll make you want to come back. And if that is the case, why don't you hit that subscribe button below? Once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And for my new subscribers, I'd like to say welcome. I'm so glad to see you here. There are a few of you, and I'm glad you decided to join our little family. And for those of you that come back every week, my ride or dies, as I like to call you, you know how I feel about you. I love you. I love you. I love you. You make all of this worthwhile. Whenever I feel like, okay, maybe it's time I give this up, one of you will leave me a comment that makes me feel like what I'm doing is worthwhile. And I thank you for that. I am very grateful. So, guys, why don't you just come back for the next video if you're new and see if you like it as well. And if you're still here, a red heart in the comments below. Since it's Valentine's Day, I thought a red heart would be appropriate. So yeah, if you're still here, leave me a red heart in the comments. I'd appreciate it.
Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You so scared of real love. Cause you've been at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. You think I care about money when I just helped you get ready for your interview. You think I like your body when I just got close that I knew it looked good on you. Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. 'Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real love, 'cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run. Jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for. You don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. No, you don't have to try so hard. Let go of your pride. Baby, come let down your guard. Safe to come inside.
So friends, I hope you are enjoying the video. We are in the reveal. My soup came out really good, by the way. And everything is all fresh and so clean. And it has a little Valentine's Day flair. This was a Christmas candle, but it just has trees. There's no Santa or anything, just trees and snow, and it smells so good. So I decided to leave it for the winter as well. So stick around to the end. We're almost there. I want to thank you all for hanging out with me today. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you did as well. I hope you were inspired. And I am going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. I don't know about you, but I choose a word every year to see me through the year. Last year my word was revival, and this year my word is grace. What I intend to do is to give a lot of grace this year and to allow myself to receive it as well. So with that said, I'm going to ask you to find something today that brings joy into your life. And once you find that joy, share it with someone else. You'll be glad you did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army king, they call me. Come find the key.